it's me, Lottie, and this is the second half of the DIY Oracle deck video. I just wanted to do an update. I went to Michael's today for something else and found this beautiful pad of scrapbook paper for $5, and it is called Across the Galaxy and has some really beautiful papers. Look at those. That has gold. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? This one. I almost feel like going back and getting another pad just so that I can do all of my cards in this pattern. I love it. And since I'm feeling that way, I probably should do that, right? But isn't this a great pad? Shine like the stars. And there's this one, some stuff is just suitable for framing, you know. Where's that one? Where is it? That one. Isn't that beautiful? Metallic. Anyway, so what I have to do is whatever my pattern's going to be, I need 4 sheets. I need 4 sheets because these are 12 by 12 and my cards are 4 by 6 and they're roughly 4 by 6. They're that homemade kind of 4 by 6, which means I'm going to have to trim them a little, not too much, or make my backing slightly smaller so that there's a white border. I don't know. But as you can see, I think that 6 will fit on here. I don't think I'm going to have to trim them so much to where I'm going to lose anything for the cards. But I'm contemplating whether I'm going to do that on my paper cutter or try to do that by hand, or like I said, I could go with having my background card be just a little smaller, which would have been cool if I hadn't recycled stuff to where I have designs on the back of some of these. I mean, I don't really mind, but kid scribbles, you know. But like I said, I might go back and get another pad like this, although I mean, that's going to give me a lot of paper, of the other papers that I don't know that I would really use. Maybe I can find the single sheet. Maybe I'll go on the aisle and see. It's gold metallic. They remind me of those things. What are they called? Zentangles? Zentangles? Whatever they're called for bullet journaling. I don't know. I like that. All right, we'll see. I'll check back in. So now what I'm doing is making the back of my DIY cards. I decided to go with the pinkish purple papers. There are 2 different patterns actually, but I think they look enough alike to where, you know, it'll be fine. I decided to go with this background because I am aware that this is my first deck and I have been having some technical difficulties, and I figure I will work them out on this deck, and then when I'm ready to do my next one, splurge on the perfect, not that this isn't perfect, but splurge on the paper that I want. So let me just set this down for a second. See if I can do that. While I cut this into 4 by 6 squares. Oh shoot. Oh, I just cut this paper. Oh boy, I think I'll be okay. Oh, I had this one sitting here. Lord. what I did, but laminating glue will take care of it. So the reason why I decided to, okay, never mind. So these are my backs. These are my backs. And I started gluing them on my cards. And I'm learning the difference between certain glue. Now, I was using this liquid glue, which I don't feel works really good on this cardstock. It made these cards, these are really, can you see how they're like wrinkly? I mean, I'm going to go on and laminate them and trim them down a bit more, but that's what I found out. So then I switched back to my good old trusty glue stick, and these cards seem to be a lot more flat. They're not curling like that, at least not yet. So I'm learning as I go. These are the cards that I've done so far. So you can kind of see they're different shades of pink and purple, but related. And yeah, I'm going to continue gluing the backs on. I'm going to trim these down a little bit more because I'm trying to get them really even. And then we shall see. So this is my first learning. So we're learning. All right. Okay, so now what I'm doing is rounding the edges. Now I decided not to get a corner cutter this time. I'm just using one of these cards to trace the corners and actually cut them with the scissors. But they look so legit with the rounded corners. I'm excited. The next thing I did is take these letter size laminating sheets, and I am putting the cards, each sheet held 3 cards, 2 of them going this way and then 1 going this way. And now I am laminating them. This takes a little bit of patience for sure, but I am so excited. Look at these little cards. They are so legit. No, the edges are not perfect, and you know, but that's okay. I am so happy. So I'm going to finish laminating these, and then I'll be done with my deck. Look at that. They are the finished deck. Look at that. I mean, I can shuffle them pretty much like this. Oops, let me turn it this way. I don't really use them. It would be nice if they could be sort of heat sealed on these edges. I don't know if I could take an iron to them and do that. But I'm very pleased. This was a goal to set out and do. And I did it. And I'm happy. There they are. There they all are. Yay! Ready to oracle. Ready to oracle. And that's it. This was fun. I think I'm going to be making cards as like a little hobby because I could see myself just making all kinds of herbal decks and other just I don't know, like painting my own pictures. I don't know. This was very fun. Thank you to Over the Moon Academy for the idea, the suggestion, the prompt. Thank you so much. Yay!